From a 1960s cafe to Hong Kong's leading bakery, Maxim's Cakes has built a historic and respected brand. However, shifting tastes among young customers mean it must reinvent itself to stay relevant. Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan, and I'm here with Eric and Sabina to show you how Maxim's Cakes can evolve and capture the young generation's hearts. The guiding question is, how can Maxim's Cakes attract young customers by leveraging its competitive advantage and capitalizing on the social value of cake? We have identified two key problems that need to be solved: product misalignment and poor communication. We recommend Maxim's Cakes to tackle the issue with a three-step strategy: refresh, relate, and retain. By optimizing its product lines, gaining relevance through social media, and elevating its membership system, we are confident that Maxim's Cakes can successfully attract and retain the young customers, leading to a 77% revenue growth in 5 years and a 220% ROI. Understanding Maxim's Cakes' core strengths is important, and we've pinpointed 5 key advantages. Brand heritage. It has 60 years of history and is a true part of old Hong Kong's memories. Product innovation. Maxim's Cakes has a skilled team that keeps new items coming, keeping customers interested. Store channels. It's a top player with 148 branches in Hong Kong. Price advantage. As a top player, scale and volume buying provide strong pricing power. Group resources. Maxim's Group has a diverse portfolio for resource sharing. Together, these 5 advantages create a strong market position for Maxim's Cakes. Maxim's Cakes has a solid foundation, but the market is changing. We see 3 major shifts in how young customers view the social value of cake. First, cakes needs to be aesthetic and camera ready. 71% of young customers value style when buying. Second, the little treat culture is taking off, especially in Maxim's Cake's key markets like Hong Kong and mainland China. What used to be saved for birthdays is now part of everyday life. Finally, social media plays a huge role. It's the main source of information and also a platform for sharing personal style. Young customers want products that are aesthetic, relatable, and shareable. Meeting all 3 criteria is the key to stay relevant in today's cake market. These market shifts create significant opportunities, and Maxim's Cakes has the competitive advantages. But how can we leverage these strengths effectively? We've identified 2 key opportunity gaps. First, the product issue. Maxim's Cakes has strong product development capabilities that enables fast releases. However, we need to aim for the right product direction, one that captures young customers through aesthetic appeal and newness. Second, the communication issue. Our market position already meets customers' daily treat needs through affordability and convenience. However, we must improve how we communicate with young customers to become more relevant in their daily lives. Our strategies directly target these 2 gaps and will transform Maxim's Cakes into the go-to choice for young customers.
Introducing the 3R strategy: refresh, relate, and retain. We will refresh our products, relate through social media, and retain customers long-term via the app. Through refreshing, we will launch 2 new product lines tailored to young customers' lifestyle and taste. Through relating, we will strengthen brand relevance by showcasing cake-sharing moments through social media. And finally, through retaining, we will upgrade the It Is an App to deepen engagement and boost long-term loyalty. Now, I am going to introduce our first solution: refresh. In Maxim's product development strategy, we have discovered key pain points that have weakened its customer connection. Fortunately, by its heritage and innovation strengths, Maxim can rebuild product lines to fix these problems and turn them into opportunities. The first pain point is its visual style. The current one feels dated, We should design cakes with a modern visual style to better reflect young customers' tastes. The second main point is its collaboration strategy. The existing collaborations are not aligned with trending IPs, resulting in limited emotional connection with customers. We should create trend driven cake themes that young customers are familiar with. To refresh, we're introducing two new product lines, the classic line and the limited line, to strengthen our brand foundation and spark market excitement. The classic line will be redesigned with a youthful, modern aesthetic and blended with Maxim's heritage and local culture. This approach will attract new young customers while deepening loyalty among existing ones, reinforcing the brand image and supporting steady revenue growth. The limited line, on the other hand, will be trend driven and seasonally refreshed to ensure a lasting impression on customers. Building on Maxim's strength in IP partnerships, we'll partner with trending IPs such as K-pop and Labubu to create buzz, draw in new customers, and boost brand engagement. Now, let's dive into our second solution, Relate. Although Maxim's Cakes offers a wide variety of products at good prices, it lacks effective communication to help young customers see its value and feel connected. Our goal is to make Maxim's Cakes a warm, fun, and stylish part of young people's everyday lives. There are two target demographics. First, young professionals aged 22 to 30 who are financially independent, socially active, and seek small moments of joy to balance early career pressures. We also target university students aged 18 to 24 who are trend leading, socially connected, and enjoy shared experiences that define youth culture, like celebrating small achievements or enjoying cake during casual dorm hangouts. Our communication strategy builds brand relevance by sharing cake moments on social media. The key message to deliver is little moments, forever in flavor. We want customers to celebrate everyday pleasures with Maxim's Cakes as the symbol. For differentiation, Hong Kong and global markets will focus on Instagram to highlight aesthetic lifestyle moments, and YouTube to build emotional connection through storytelling and influencer content. Meanwhile, in mainland China, we'll drive awareness on Douyin with creative short videos and build trust on Xiaohongshu through authentic lifestyle-driven stories.
After refresh and relate, the final strategy is retain. Aiming to build long-term loyalty after consumer acquisition, our core recommendation is to update our app from Etizen to Maxim Foodie Pass. First, Etizen lacks instant gratification. Customer can earn instant value with every purchase in Maxim Foodie Pass, like redeemable badges, making every transaction an added value. Secondly, we launch exclusive offers redeemable only for Maxim Cakes. This boosts spending incentives and drive young members from across the group directly to Maxim Cakes. Finally, the Foodie Pass enables member voting and co-creation, empowering Gen Z to jointly build new products. This ensures Maxim Cakes stay current and young, driven by the customers themselves. We expect Maxim Foodie Pass to be a bridge connecting Maxim Cakes with young customers, fulfilling the emotion of we collect, we enjoy, and we create. For collection, we spark the desire to collect through monthly missions. This ensures time-sensitive purchase. Furthermore, the achievement badge system turns loyalty into social currency that Gen Z can share on social media. Also, these badges are not just for show. They can be directly redeemed for Maxim Cakes. Finally, we encourage members to vote on the look of our next seasonal products. We will mark these new items with a co-created by Foodie Pass label to satisfy the user's need for belonging. For the refresh phase, we will immediately build our new product line and iterate the product metric based on market feedback. And next, the relate phase focus on marketing. We will partner with food KOLs to promote the link. It eating Mexican cakes equal to a small moment of happiness. Finally, the return phase focus on the update of the app of Mexican Foodie Pass. We will iterate features based on user feedback and use young member data for personalized marketing. Our financial projections are based on several key assumptions across the 3R strategy. All of these lead to a 77% revenue increase in 5 years and achieve a 220% ROI. In summary, focusing on helping Maxi Cakes to attract young customers, we have identified two key issues: product misalignment and poor communication. For 3R strategy, by refreshing and introducing new product lines, relating with young customers through social media, and retaining customer long-term by the updated app, we will successfully capture the young customer for Maxine Cakes. This plan is projected to help Maxine Cakes increase the revenue by 77% and achieve a 220% ROI within 5 years.
Maxim's Cakes has been part of Hong Kong's story for decades, and with our strategy, it can secure the next generation of loyal customers who will carry the brand into its next chapter. Thank you.